Hola, estudiantes. The chapter we're working on in the textbook deals with past participles. So this is the document, the worksheet you're going to do. El participio pasado número uno, past participle number one. Basically, we use what's called the perfect tenses in this chapter. But before you can even learn the perfect tenses, you first have to learn what a past participle is. So the video that's going to be attached to the document or the assignment description, this video is it's short and sweet, basically explains what a past participle is and gives some examples. So I watched that first. Basically, in a nutshell, what I can say is like what a past participle is. Yes, it is past, but like the verb comer, to eat. It's not eat. Okay, that's not a past participle. That's just the past tense. Okay, past participle is not a tense. Okay, it's just a past participle. Okay, and so it's not ate, it's eaten. Okay, or the very common error that people make, I hear from people all the time, is the word saw, where you should be saying I saw this instead of seen. Okay, I seen something. No, seen is a past participle. And this is a perfect example for why you can't, that's not right to say I seen, okay? That's not grammatically correct. So basically, participles aren't tenses. You can't say I eaten, I seen. Or another example like broke, okay? The verb to break. Past participle is not broke, it's broken, okay? Basically, the way that I learned past participles that helped me understand what it was is to always put the word I have in front of it. Okay, I have eat. Can you say I have ate? No, that doesn't make sense. Can you say I have saw? No. I have seen. I have broke? No, I have broken. So this is actually what's called the present perfect tense. But like I said, we're just concentrating on the past participles for right now, okay? You're going to get this packet, especially for the irregulars. It's going to be posted on the assignment. How do you make past participles? For AR verbs, you drop the AR and you add ado. For ER verbs, you drop the ER or IR and you add ido. It's as simple as that, except there are some irregulars. Here are the irregulars. These ones have accents on the I and ido. These ones end in TO. These ones end in cho. You will be using those on this document. So first, escribe el participio pasado del verbo. Write the past participle of the verb. Tradúcelo al inglés. Translate it to English. And basically, in a nutshell, I'll just say in section 3, or 2, I meant, these are irregulars, okay, which you have to use the packet here. It's basically just copying them. That's all it is, okay? Copying these and what they mean onto the right side over here, okay? So a couple examples. Llamar, to call. Okay, you drop the AR and add llamado. Okay, so that's called. Now, does that change as a past participle? No. Can you say I called? Yes. Can you say I have called? Yes. And it doesn't change. This is the same in the past tense as it is in the past participle. Not comer. Okay, comer, you drop the ER and add ido. That is not ate. That's eaten. Okay, so that one's different. That is the example I gave before. Now here's an irregular. This is not rompido. That's not right. You have to be aware of the irregulars. Okay, like you're going to do in section 2 down here. Okay, romper. You look on here. Romper is roto. Okay, not rompido. And notice it says broken, not broke. Okay, so you have roto, broken. Okay, bien. So here you have some regulars. You just drop the AR and add ado and write what it means. And then here's some ERs here. I picked some from the chapter we're working on too. And then some IRs here. And then, like I said, these are the irregulars down here that you got to use that packet or this sheet for. Okay, bien.